only small. Oh, he's... What are you doing? What are you doing?
I need to swallow it.
Well, he's swallowed it now.
He's deep throated it.
It's just your bait's come off. That's right. How's this weather?
Got him back. Lost him, then got him back.
Absolute glamour.
Is it boy or girl? It's a girl, eh?
Get the net, hold on.
Touch me a little.
Oh, you're on? Steve-O's on.
Yeah, we're on, bro. I did what you said, Luke. I let the bail arm over for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just make sure he doesn't get you on the...
Okay, on the fad.
If you just get control of that, then I can get a photo with your Jared.
Look how clear the water is.
But that was what all those things are.
Yeah, over there.
It's only small, but oh fuck.
Hey. Little gully.
Nice, mate.
Yeah. Where's your line? Just wind your line in.
Look how clear the water is.
I'll come down here. Oh, you fucking
But a fish nonetheless, mate. Look at the colours in that.
not bad, eh?
How do I get it going again, buddy?
Yeah, it's running. It's running.
Oh, it's just my screen's gone off. Look at the glamour. Look at the glamour conditions too. How long did it take us to get out here, Luke?
35 minutes.
35 minutes to the fads. Just unheard of.
It's not bad.
Oh shit.
Right.
He's taking it again. He's taking it again.
Yeah, I'm just going to let it really go.
Alright, now. Yeah, now. Don't let him spit it. There we go.
That's better.
Wind. What's going on? You got a fish?
I had a tap.
Oh, yep. Oh, you gotta let him take it.
No, I did. That was the second time.
They're being held, they're really fucking...
We can put another one
run
out.
with it 3 times and... I think it might be an alright fish, but it's the same one.
Maybe quickly put another bait on because your bait's been taken off.
No, he's still there.
Oh, let him take it.
He's still there, bro.
Yeah, I reckon there. Oh, look up.
You heard it, boys.
What have we got there?
Ah! Busted me off.
Did he?
Yep.
Does it feel any good?
Bigger than the last ones.
Yeah, mine was a good one.
Get another bait out.
I will.
Is it a dolphin fish? Yeah.
Yep, dolphin. Yep.
You can flick it on my other rod there if you want.
No, I didn't pass me off like I wanted
I got in it.
He's still got a bit of kick in him, brother.
Mine was dead.
Got him. Me, mate. There you go. Nice.
I'll get a photo for you. Huh?
Okay.
It's a good fish, but a couple of good runs.
I'm actually really interested. I got no idea. Do you want to come down the back a bit more?
Yeah.
Been a long wind up. It's got to be a decent fish. You got sweat dripping down, mate. Oh, there's some colour. Keep winding.
It's off. It just come off.
You joking?
I'm not joking.
I saw just a little bit of colour. What? Just wind it off.
It's off, man.
No.
It's off. It's off. It just come off.
I just saw just a bit of colour.
Really? You.
What the fuck?
That is devastating.
Devo.
Number 2. What's that on?
Bottom meat. Get yourself some bottom meat.
That whacked it, eh?
Yeah, it did whack it, yeah.
The breathing is getting heavy.
Yeah, you bet. Arms hurting. Who needs to go to a gym, eh?
There it is. What do we got?
Got a bit of colour.
Snapper. Salmon. Snapper, nice one.
Nice snapper.
Oh,
Beautiful snapper.
what's that on?
Bottom meat.
That's a cracker snapper.
That's a cracker snapper.
Bloody hell.
Get yourself some bottom meat. That's beautiful.
It's a good one, eh?
Yeah, that's a beauty.
Really like lift you up in there. Nailed it, didn't he?
Oh, he nailed it, yeah. Nice.
I got a picture.
Thanks.